Now look at this. To write, this is not in the standard form. So it's in a mixed fraction. So what we need to do, we should bring to a proper fraction. So to do that, so what you have to do, first you bring to the standard form. So 2 by 7, as I told in the previous class, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. So 16 by 7. So now write all these things. So 5 by 3, 16 by 7, 11 by 5. So next what we have to do, we have to take LCM of these three. So to take LCM, look at this, since it's in a odd numbers, 3, 7, 5. So we cannot go through one table. So 3 ones are, okay. So next is 7 ones are, next is 5. So write this, 3 into 7 into 5. So now look at this, 3 7s are 20, 21. 21 into 5 is equal to 105. So now 105 is the LCM of 3, 7, 5. Any doubt? Okay. So now what you do to get the exact answer? So this is a small method which I follow. Okay. So now write for each one. So 105, just write like this, and this term, whatever you got, this term, you write it in the right side of your book, roughly, like how 5 by 3 into 105, 16 by 7 into 105, 11 by 5 into 105. Any doubt? Yes. This is your writing in the right side of your book to get the answer. So now what you do is, so 3 ones are 335s are 105. Okay. So next 7 ones are 7 16s are 105. Look at, so 3 35s are 105, right? So now these two you have to multiply. So 5 into 35, 175. Any doubt? So same thing, we have divided 7 16s are 105. So 16 16s are 240. Any doubt, pa?
No, sir.
No. Now same thing here, 5 ones are 521s are 105. Okay. Now 11 into 21 is 231. Any doubt?
No, sir.
That's it. So now we have got final answer. Now you need to arrange in a descending order.
According to this question, we should arrange in descending order. So let's do it in descending order. 240 by 105, 231 by 105, 175 by 105.
Very good, Megan.